You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning nice to meet you. There is an alternative way of saying it, a different way of saying it. Stay tuned to the channel. I have a video for you if you want to learn a simpler way of pronouncing it. But if you literally want to say this phrase, which is a useful and used phrase, commonly used in France, so it's very useful to know. Ravi de vous rencontrer. Ravi meaning happy, pleased. De vous rencontrer meaning to meet you. Ravi de vous rencontrer. Ravi de vous rencontrer. The other way is enchanté. You have a video coming up for you if you want to learn how to pronounce it. This one, French pronunciation, ravi de vous rencontrer or ravi de vous rencontrer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.